Hello, my friends. Today, we're going to do actually not really a food review, but just a cool hamburger joint that a lot of you know, Shake Shack. Yeah, we're going to eat a burger tonight, and I love their burgers. So, yeah, let's go check it out. And I wanted to show you this mall here. This is Park Road Shopping Center, and it was built in 1956. It's been here a while, but before that, it belonged to the Billy Graham family for a long time before they built this. Yeah, his folks owned this. It's a huge farm at one time, but yeah, this is Park Road Shopping Center. So if you're ever in town, yeah, come by and see Park Road Shopping Center. So this, I wanted to show you this as well. Kind of a retro movie theater. They've done a lot of renovations. AMC owns it now, but this is the Terrace Theater. And through the years, since the 70s, I came here all the time to see most all my movies. And I actually came here and I saw The Empire Strikes Back when like the first day it ever opened. Came here, had a blast. I don't remember if I came here. I may have come here also for Return of the Jedi back in the early 80s when it came out. And yeah, but the movie theater that I saw Star Wars at when it first came out is no longer here. But yeah, this is Park Terrace. This is a great retro theater. And here is a Shake Shack. Yeah, we don't have an In-N-Out burger. I don't think they're even on the East Coast or even close to the East Coast at all. I think they're all out west. But I would love to try their burgers eventually. But yeah, this is Shake Shack. We're going to go inside. I'm going to probably try to eat outside. It's nice. It's like 75 degrees, no humidity, and I've got my shorts on. This is a really nice Shake Shack too. Here's all the outside eating here. And I love the lights up there as well. So it's really cool to eat out here at nighttime. They don't have a fire pit yet. It'd be kind of cool if they had that. But yeah, we're going to eat out here, I think. So while you're waiting for your burger, yeah, you come out here and play some cornhole. And this is the inside of Shake Shack right here. This is where you make your order right here. They're all back there cooking some burgers. And here's the menu right here. And it looks like you can order right here now. These weren't here the last time I was here. That's pretty cool. Yeah, they're modernizing. Yeah, but yeah, here's the menu here. So there's all types of goodies. So yeah, I wanted to show you this. So I hit burgers. I brought these burgers up. A bunch of different ones here. So not quite sure. I like the avocado burger. We might get that. And I think they make a gluten-free one. I'm going to get one for Connie too while I'm here. But I also like this the regular old Shack cheeseburger. And of course your French fries. And they also have, let's see, shakes and frozen yolk custard. Let's see what that, here you go. Order that. And of course your drinks. Right there. And hot dogs. One hot dog. And they also have beer and wine selection. And I'm going to go with the Shake Shack, the Shack burger, but you can also customize what you want on your burger too. So that's pretty cool. So we just placed our order, and I'm going to eat here, but I'm going to take Connie's home so she can eat at home. Sorry she's not here. She wasn't feeling too well, but she still wanted the Shake Shack burger. If you see these racks inside, yeah, these are all takeout here, like DoorDash. They'll come by, pick it up, and deliver it, or you can come in and get your food. You got the TVs going, and you can watch some NASCAR. Now, we use the kiosk. You don't have to. You can still order it right at the front there. So here we go. Get the fries, got the double, my drink, and Connie's to go. Now, the one thing I learned about eating at Shake Shack, you got to grab a bunch of napkins. So I got the 50-50 drink too. I think it's like lemonade and tea kind of mixed together. And then, of course, look at this. That looks scrumptious. So I wanted to show you this amazing burger. Look at that. That thing is huge. That pickle is 3 times bigger than the burger. No, it's just huge. So, yeah, I'm gonna buy it. I usually don't show myself eating, but I will probably do the first bite. I love the fries. Fries are always good here. I think they call crinkle fries, I think. Something like that, crinkly fries. Get my ketchup. Ah, it's good. Alright, I'm going to tear it apart. And going to bite into it. It's going to be messy. It's going to be messy. So here we go. There it is. There it is right there. Here we go. That first bite is always the best one, of course. The one thing I do notice about the Shake Shack too, it's almost like a smash burger. It's delicious. So if you don't have a Shake Shack in your area yet, I'm sure there will be eventually. I mean, they're growing. There's 2 that I know of in Charlotte, and this one here is probably about I want to say about 6 miles away from the other one. There's one in South End as well. It's in a historic building that used to be a restaurant called Pike's, and that's where the other Shake Shack is. If you're ever in South End, it's right in that area, right near the light rail. Get you another picture. Sure, I bit into it, but man, the flavor in this burger is phenomenal. I mean, you can really taste the beef. The flavoring of the beef. I get the cheese version too, with the cheese, tomatoes. You can add other stuff to it, like avocado if you want to. We didn't do that just yet. We'll do that next time. But I just wanted to get kind of a basic burger, cheeseburger with the tomatoes, lettuce, and it almost looks like it's Thousand Island on there. I'm not quite sure. If you know what that is, let me know. It might be mayonnaise, which I don't mind mayonnaise. It's really good. Mm-hmm. It looks like people are still getting home or going home from work. I look across the street there. There's a Chick-fil-A over there. And then Jason's Deli. There's a bunch of restaurants over here. Cadoba's. They got over here, Bon John Korean fried chicken. You got a pizza place up there. And yeah. They also have a wine and beer store up there too. All kinds of exotic beers and imports. But yeah, there's other selections of restaurants. And you got an ice cream place over there too, called the Local Scoop. And after every bite, I like to wash it down with some 50-50. The 50-50 is really good, but you can really taste more of the lemonade than anything else in this drink. And I love these fries. Oh, they're good. And you get this real fancy takeout bag. I like it with the handle. Yeah, that's a real nice takeout bag. I'm slowly but surely making my way. I'm trying to savor every flavor of this burger because, yeah, Shake Shack, we probably come here probably every other month, but yeah, but today was the urge. It sometimes can be less, can be like every 3 weeks we'll come by and grab a burger, but yeah, the urge for Shake Shack was tonight. And we are getting close to the end. A few more bites. I take pretty massive bites. I just, oh man, savoring the flavor is amazing. I mean, it sits there. While you're chewing, you can really just taste the meat, everything, the vegetables, the dressing that they put on here. And this is the double, so you'll get filled up on this one. And there is my food review. It was delicious. I would say that is probably my top 5. Bay's Burger is really good. That's in Morrisville. Then of course you have Bad Daddy's burgers, which are awesome too, and Pinky's does a great burger too. They're here in Charlotte, and we'll have to cover them too. And then of course Zach's burgers, and Zach's burgers are back too. They're serving those again. They tore down the restaurant last year, but it's they're now serving the burgers again at Old Mecklenburg Brewery. So we will have to check that out and see how their version is of the Zach's burger. But this was delicious. And there's not an In-N-Out here. I can't compare In-N-Out. I've never had In-N-Out. Maybe one of these days I will. But yeah, Shake Shack, just awesome. So I wanted to thank you for joining me on this little food review of Shake Shack Burger. Yeah, I do highly recommend their burgers, and they do gluten-free as well. So if you have allergies, they do serve that. So that'll help you out too if you do have problems like that. All right, guys, and it was just awesome. So we'll be back again. We'll probably do some more food reviews and more hamburgers. I love hamburgers. All right, guys, you take care. We'll see you soon. Lots coming up. Bye-bye.